Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will cook pasta carbonara just for you.
Okay guys, for one person you will need black pepper, one free-range egg, guanciale, and pecorino romano, and pasta of course. Guanciale is cured pork cheek. If you don't have guanciale, you can use bacon. Just make sure that bacon has more fat in it. You need to chop guanciale roughly. You don't want to chop it into too small pieces. Now you need to put guanciale into a cold pan without any oil. Don't use oil. Guanciale has enough fat by itself. Always use salt for your pasta water. For sauce, break an egg, put little salt in, just little, and be generous with black pepper. Just whisk it a little bit. And don't forget your pecorino romano. Mix pasta and guanciale and cook pasta and guanciale together until pasta is al dente. And then cool your pasta. It is very important to cool down pasta because you don't want to have stir-fried pasta. This is real carbonara. No cream. Just an egg and pasta water. Beautiful. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. And I see you next time. And don't forget to put pepper on. Bye bye guys.